Okay, now, I caught the evil little cat on video, and it's one the one I'm wearing. Here's what it is. Hold on. Okay. It's like a Grim Reaper type costume. I'm fucking bored as hell. Now it's time to catch the evil little cat on camera again. This time, shit. Alright, down by the floor view. Let me get this fucking damn camera right. There we go, that seems right. Time to get the evil cat. Oh, I'll get you. Back on the camera. Yeah. Oh, shit! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! I need something to help. Um, I need something to help me keep it back. This will work. This will work. I'll get you. I'll get you, little motherfucker. God damn you, little fucking cat. Did I catch her? Yes, I did. Now what else did you go? Dog. time in a row. Oh shit, hell no. She's back there and needs bed. I caught her on camera twice. Which is fantastic. Yes. Annie. Y'all see Annie right there, right? The little white dog in the background? But I caught her on camera twice. Well, actually 4 times, so. Well, time to move in. Damn, took me long. Yeah, no, I'm without a shirt. Again. But I hate wearing shirts, so. Bleh. But, on the more important matters. Wait, what are the important matters? Hell, I don't know. I'm just saying whatever comes to my mind. I need another pop. Okay. Hey, this actually tastes pretty damn good. By the way, I'm eating these. So, kiss me. That's what this one says. Kiss me. They smell like marshmallows. Time to open up my pouch. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, candy heart equals puff equals inside. And it's fizzing. Tastes pretty good too. Okay, now, we're staring at my stomach. On the more important matters, YouTube is the best thing that has ever happened to the internet. Same with Facebook. MySpace is just out there. No one really ever uses MySpace anymore. A lot more people use Facebook. Yep. I'm one of them. What's this one say? Oh, hell yeah, I'm too cool for all you. Nah, I'm just a dumbass. And a dork. And a nerd. And I'm sexy and I know it. Haha, I gotta throw that in there too. Time to go off camera. And yet, I'm still talking. Damn, that is actually pretty damn good. Whew. And back on. Back off. Back on camera. Back off. Back on. Back off. Oh. Never let me eat sugar. Or sugar related products like these. How many? These aren't so bad. 13 grams of sugar, not so bad. But if it's like 48 grams of sugar, or a whole cup of sugar, read it. Because I will be hyper as hell. This one tastes like grape. My nose itched. And it looks like it's still sleeting outside. Oh, you guys should, anyone who watches this video should try to go outside in shorts with no shirt and no shoes while there's snow on the ground. I'm just saying, that's actually pretty fun. Because then people look at you like you're crazy. Which people already look at me like I'm crazy, but this is just more funner. Well, I'm signing off. Well, not yet at least. I'm going to inform you a few more. Yes. First kiss. My first kiss was with Tia. Yes, dear. Yes. Awesome. I know I am. I'm awesome like that. Wait, where's this? Oh, okay. Wonder what the white ones taste like. And that wasn't perverted either, so no one get any ideas. White ones. See, they're white. Wonder what the green. Yeah. Oh. See. Score! Still go. Oh. I'm just joshing you. It didn't hurt. Hello? Anybody in there? I know someone's in there. Hello? No. Well, I'm signing off. Laters. Bye, YouTube. Boom.